compassion and enlightenment in Zen. As we stand on the threshold of our journey's conclusion, let us immerse ourselves in the compassionate heart of Zen, unraveling the profound depths of kindness that have the power to transform both our inner world and the external tapestry of our existence. In this final lecture, we embark on an exploration of how compassion, extended to both ourselves and others, becomes the cornerstone of a harmonious world. Additionally, we delve into the promise of enlightenment, a destination that reveals itself through dedicated practice and the introspective journey into the recesses of our consciousness. Zen teaches us that compassion is not merely a benevolent act, but a fundamental state of being. It's a recognition that kindness is not confined to external gestures alone. It's a transformative force that radiates from the very core of our existence. In embracing the compassionate heart of Zen, we acknowledge the interconnectedness of all living beings. Compassion becomes a bridge that spans the gaps between individuals, fostering understanding, empathy, and a profound sense of harmony in our relationships and the world at large. In the realm of Zen, kindness is not regulated to a moral imperative. It is a direct pathway to enlightenment. As we cultivate a compassionate attitude towards ourselves and others, we dismantle the barriers that obscure our inherent wisdom and inner peace. This practice of benevolence is not passive. Rather, it's an active engagement with the world. A recognition that every interaction, regardless of scale, possesses the potential to contribute to the collective enlightenment of humanity. Kindness then becomes not only a destination, but an integral part of the journey towards enlightenment. Enlightenment, in the context of Zen, is not a distant summit, but a present reality waiting to be uncovered through disciplined practice and inner exploration. It transcends the illusions that often cloud our perception of reality. As we tread the path of mindfulness, compassion, and self-discovery, we draw closer to the promise of enlightenment, a state of being that surpasses suffering, illuminates the mind, and gives rise to boundless compassion and wisdom. It is not a fixed endpoint, but an unfolding process, a continuous revelation that deepens with every step on the path. As we weave the principles explored throughout this profound journey into the fabric of our lives, we unlock the door to experiencing the beauty of Zen in our daily existence. It is a path that empowers us to find serenity amidst the chaos, clarity amidst confusion, and joy amidst sorrow. Zen invites us to be fully present, to live with intention, and to savor the richness of every moment. Our lives become a canvas where the threads of mindfulness, simplicity, impermanence, non-attachment, meditation, and compassion intertwine, creating a masterpiece of self-discovery and inner transformation. So, let us wholeheartedly embrace this ongoing journey of self-discovery and inner transformation, guided by the profound teachings of Zen. May it not only bring you the serenity, wisdom, and joy that you seek, but also serve as a testament to the profound beauty of living in the present moment. As we conclude this exploration, let the spirit of Zen resonate within, guiding you towards a life filled with compassion, enlightenment, and an enduring appreciation for profound beauty embedded in the present moment. With heartfelt love and appreciation, your companion on this journey.